I told you guys I was gonna hit you up when I got to Miami. I'm in Miami, motherfucker.
Like, step back, shooter got ask her to get that. Pull on her hair while her legs back. Turning me on, gotta fix that. Yeah.
I got my lashes done. This is the worst pain I've ever felt. I have a good story to tell. I just need a moment. I can't be looking a mess out here. Let's pray that Keisha's Joe.
We'll do the trick.
Everybody hold down for a second. What is it, Dr. Papa?
Look who's here.
Hi. Good, you make me smile. Your cheeks right.
If your blush ain't pinker than pink,
I'm trying to find
Oh, scary. Oh, shiver my timbers.
fine looking orange blush. Jackie Ina said orange looks really good on dark skinned women. If only my hair would stay like this, guys. Get into existence.
exactly. You're like, I really wish.
Speak it into existence. I just wish my hair would just stay like this. Speak it into existence. Oh my god, guys.
Correction.
What time is it? Am I on time?
It's 5 o'clock.
Thank you very much. Look how serious she is, guys.
Wait, that was it.
Okay.
1, 2, feel yourself hop. Ready?
Wait, is it a hop?
1, 2,
No, it's not a hop. It's not a
hop.
hop.
Slap, slap, slap the ass, turn to the side. Bunny, once your wipers, cry. Twerk it, pop, pop, slap, slap. Honey, yes,
I'm gonna get this.
Esca. Wipe your body, turn to the side. Hop, hop, turn front. Done. Now snap, snap, pop, pop. Whoop, whoop. There you go.
What time is it?
Shot o'clock.
But I'm hot o'clock. And I like to fuck. Wait, last one, ready?
Girl,
Oh, you tight?
I'm sweating. You see this?
That's
The workout before the workout.
Ladies and gentlemen.
You guys look like okay. You better. You don't have a choice. What do you have to say about the Dior lip gloss?
Bomb.
Like, I don't ever recommend something, but that is something every girl, her, it looks so good on, it's just like amazing, guys. Public service announcement.
Don't lose your camera.
This camera is a lot of money, y'all, so I'm not bringing it out. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. You get my vibe. What are we doing tonight?
Having fun, taking drugs, drinking liquor, baby. Working something, you know, get with it, forget lost.
Step back, shooter got ask her to get that. Pull on her hair while her legs back. Turning me on, gotta fix that. Yeah, put a move on, gotta move on. Fuck little bitch and a friend who deal like coupon.
I'm a regular pedestrian. I'm from the city.
I got more than I need, I can lose one. That's it, bitch.
Everyone's from LA.
My shit is so long.
Key, where are you from?
Pulls on. After she
Boston. What are we telling them?
We're having a great time.
Nina Maya. Oh, you a vlogger. Hey, man.
I'm living the lace. Take it off when we get to my place.
My nigga, piece of the room.
Yes, I'm doing the cutting again. These bucks and he's running these racks.
That's crazy. How it became this nigga camera all of a sudden.
He had a baddie and she had the fatty. We still attached to his ex. Yeah,
Bye.
Oh, I look actually so good. It's amazing. I was just worried. Why? I don't know. We're getting brunch. Cheers.
Yeah, we're just sharing.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that that looks so good. Yum. I'm full, activated, purr. It's 4 o'clock now. Oh, it's hot. Now it's a little bit live. Ooh.
No, you good.
Talk about the AC on.
Yeah, see, this is what I want when I come into an Uber. Thank you. Fucking AC. Somebody had a long night. I was going to say it smells like someone flattering their hair in here and it smells delicious.
Lash. Priceless.
Tiny Rari at the Maybach. With Benji, they stopping that product that Fendi. Don't offend me, I got plenty. 30 models outside of the penny, and that's the penthouse. Do you get me? What's her name, little baby? Good my house. She talk too much, she too friendly. Gave a gang, little baby addicted. She hit me up like it's Denny's. She hit me up like it's Denny's. Fuck it, let's run up the digits. She fought me, I had to relive it. Had to relive it. Your nigga gon' run up the digits. So fuck it, let's run.
Met a Libra. And a Libra fell in love with a Sag. I'm gonna show you what happened this weekend. I'll be bringing this.
I was gonna say, bring up Big Daddy. No, don't.
Don't bring up Big Daddy.
Do not.
And I shot nothing for you guys. She's hiding.
Hey, no, not on me. Hey, stop, no!
Tacos.
I don't want tacos.
I've been trying to get tacos this whole time. One more time, Keisha. For the one time, for the one time. 5, 6, 7.
Feel yourself. Turn to the side and find me. Hop 2 times windshield wipe. Now cry. Open. Slap. Slap. Slap.
Pop. Where the money at? Oh my gosh, she was so right about these lashes. They really will fall off. We're not gonna get a chance to go to the beach while we're here, to be honest. So we're gonna make our chance. Oh, foggy. Oh, crazy. Ever seen South Beach? This spot. It's like no one here. But you get it 7 a.m. in the morning. A good old walk. It smells amazing. Have you seen South Beach?
Nobody know me when my back against the wall. Pain, I feel like Dolly, I don't need no one at all. I've been getting money,
a lot of good ideas,
be on
this
my
one
job.
is one.
People be so sick and now they praying that I fall. Ain't nobody know me when my back against the wall. Pain, I feel like Dolly, I don't need no one at all. I've been getting money, now these chicks be on my jaw. People be so sick and now they praying that I fall. Praying that I fall. Stress, I need to lay down. I've been getting paid now. Trapping out the hotel. I can run the whole town. Man, I got a big crown.
If you remember the last time I was in Miami, we are stuck in Miami.
I could cry.
Day before the trip, I'm just like, fuck it, I'm gonna go. Like, I ain't got shit to do. I'm gonna buy my ticket and I'm gonna meet y'all there. And the line for Delta, oh my god, like, what? Where was people coming from? I'm like, yo, like, I can't check in my flight. He's like, go to this line. I'm looking like, got this lady. She seems like she can help. I don't know what's wrong with my flight. I'm trying to check in. It's not working. It's like, okay, we'll figure it out. She goes, look at your flight. I'm looking at it. Honey, you have this flight for next week. It's not for today. My stupid self buys my ticket for next week. So what can we do? I've never been so stern with a person. I'm a Sag, like what you expect. Calls up her manager. And then I'm in Miami. So shout out to Delta. I'm walking on my heels because this shit is actually painful. Guys, the water was so great. It's all Aya's fault for making me enjoy the water. I don't want to go to the beach. I'm like, I love this. My feet are gonna burn off. Wear your sunscreen, guys. started eating avocado by putting whipped cream on it for me to eat it. You come to Miami, don't lose yourself.
You either come in here, you're finessing, or you're gonna get finessed. Like, it is one or the other.
MIA acting MIA with my family. Look at these muscles, bro. You want to come to the gun show? Comment down below. I'll show you the fit. What bag would you wear? You would go for the basic Prada, bitch? I would go for the... Yo, me and I met like 3 days ago, and I feel like we're soul sisters. Basic bitch would go for the Prada, because you see the shoes. Fab bitch would go for this. You gotta be a little free. What bag would you wear with this outfit? I wanna know. I wanna know your name, man. She's a basic bitch! Flight's at 8, have to be there at 7.
Here by 6:30. Traffic.
Yeah, we're going to stop by a Jamaican spot and then right direct to the airport. We have all our stuff with us. Sandwiches through the door.
You can bring food, not drink through the airport.
Oh, that's lit. Oh, it's right here.
Her. Food to go, drink in hand.
I got one in
I'm lit and I'm happy.
That was like honestly the best.
That was good. A quarter plantain.
You get them for 99 cents. 3 for 99 cents.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Playing you. What you gotta say? You either finessing in Miami or you getting finessed. What laugh has she been doing? Stop.
Mine's that like airy laugh. Like it's like, what is it?
You need air? No air, no air. Would a guy ever tell another guy his cologne?
Another guy? Hell no. Hell no.
If a guy smells good, he doesn't want the next nigga smelling like him.
That's me with my cologne. I'd be capping. Someone will ask me, I'd be like, yeah, I should know my myself.
Oh my god! Which one is this?
Wait.
This friendship?
The driver goes, go mierda to somebody, right? And the girl's like, yeah, that's fine.
Can't be worse than the fucking second Uber driver.
He said, say less. I'm parking up for myself. Like, what? I didn't mean to pass. You're my driver.
The worst part of it was the roach. Swaying.
Lane to lane.
And you know in Florida they're already driving 90 miles an hour. Sir, can you hear anything we're saying? Normally on the app it tells you.
I didn't say anything.
Honestly, I really think.
Huh?
Beep, 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 beep. Do you guys really believe in horoscopes? That's the real question. Comment down below. Let me go fucking check in. If I book a flight, this is what happens.
What happened?
They reissued it. No, they redid my ticket but didn't issue it. I don't even know what that means. I got to Miami without the right ticket. You know God got me. If no one got me. And now we're eating. Every time I come to Miami, I can't go home.
No.
Make it make sense.
What's up?
Where do you think we're from?
Boston.
Wow.
You owe fucking $20.
No.
It says Boston over there first.
Well, that's the flight I'm on. I'm going to Boston, and you're by D8. I mean,
I wanna go home.
Miami 1.
0. Sav!
He shit in his bed.
No, he ripped it up. You never change! Good night, guys.